Now, let's style our project a bit. What can we add here? I guess the logo will remain, and we'll name it somehow TheSprkl Design Agency. We'll leave Greek text for now. Here we'll have, for example, Get Started, and this is Contact Us. Add probably some picture. Such a cool one. Let's see what our column, About TheSprkl. Here let's add, perhaps, our G stack. Delete the unnecessary element and add just a paragraph body text here. This will be our About page. Add such an abstract picture here too. We can also make AVC, this combo class, so that the alignment is centered. Let's look further. We can add such a class as Fill100 and Align Vertical Center. Now our numbers are in the middle. We do the same here. Fill100, Align Vertical Center. And the same here. The numbers suit us for now. Next, we'll add the text Explore Services. Add a couple of abstract pictures here. Give them some class, for example, Services Image. Make size 100%, border radius 16 pixels, and size 350 pixels. That will be too small. Let's maybe 400, 500, just right. And here we can either add some bottom padding or make, for example, G Stack XL. Great, we also have a service image. Excellent, the pictures look beautiful. Now let's add titles. For example, UX UI design, website development, and custom animations. Let's move on to the reviews section. Replace the title with Customers Love Us. Or just let's make our customers. Put some picture. Some review here. Replace the title with Let's Connect. And the button, Contact Us. Well, let's add some text here. Fill the cards with content. The list we can also make according to our discretion. Adjust spacing. Great! Let's see what we already have. We can also delete this. Instead, make Contact Us. Super, we got a small cute site with which we can further work. Let's see how it looks on other breakpoints. We can also add some animations. If you are a premium subscriber, then you probably have access to animation. Yes, they need to be added first. We hope you enjoyed this episode and find it valuable and now have more vision about what TheSprkl is about and how our extension could benefit your web development. Like and share this video if we've helped you achieve your goals. Subscribe to our channel to not miss new episodes and develop your new site into a successful and quality product. See you soon!